Hi, I'm Joanne Redgrove. I'm the owner and principal trainer of Paramount Training. Since 2007 we've been having lots of fun delivering training to a huge variety of companies all over the country. We love working with individuals who want to be more productive and who are frustrated with their computer skills or just want to know more. We take it to the next level. Often people say they don't know what they don't know, so they don't know what they need to learn. So we've got a number of ways of finding out what suits you best, and we'll work with you to find out exactly what that is and what you need. And if there's something on our course agenda that you don't need, then we miss it out. We get lots of feedback that people were simply not expecting to enjoy attending a course, but by the end we've had fun, the mist has cleared, and we've got a whole raft of new skills to try out for them. And we'll give you lots of shortcuts too. We encourage our learners to keep in touch with us and to let us know if they ever need help after the training session has ended. So if it's a week or a month or even 6 months down the line after the training and you've forgotten something, or you realise that you've got a mammoth task ahead of you that's going to take you hours and hours of work to do, then give us a shout first and we'll see if we can help you to find a better way. Do get in touch if you'd like to know more. We're looking forward to getting to know you and working with you. Thank you.